much stronger now, strong and wonderfully delicious. And then I saw them, quail. They scurried through the tall grass in front of me. I froze and followed them one step at a time, creeping, eating, and closer and closer and closer until suddenly they stopped. Beneath the limb of a cedar tree, they gathered with their tail feathers touching in the center of their circle. They faced out, ready to fly away. I came any nearer. I stopped and pointed at them for my mind.
What's he doing?
My Justin asked.
He's on a point.
My Carol answered.
A point. It looks like he's getting ready to do a somersault.
Yeah.
Phil agreed.
He's got his front legs apart, down his head is almost touching with the ground between his Yeah, I don't know what it is to close out. The wing moving forward to the floor and over. What's he doing? What's he doing pointing with his head? No, his tail.
His tail?
My Jeff.
Any bird dog I've ever seen points with his nose.
JC's not any bird dog. He's special.
My Carol said.
When the tip of his tail's pointing, that's where the birds are.
The proud that came from my Carol almost made my tail wag.